What can I use to treat insect pests on herb plants? And this is Gwen from Memphis, Tennessee. So you have any thoughts about that, treating insect pests? And of course, it'd be good to know, what pests we're talking about.
Right, what pests are we talking about?
Yeah.
But I rarely see insect pests on herb plants.
Right.
They're not foolproof plants.
Sure.
But I don't see so much, so I can't really speak to it.
Sure. There's probably the occasional aphid, mealybug or something like that. But I always encourage people, whether it's herbs or any other kind of ornamental plants for the most part, low impact pesticides. So I'm big on using insecticidal soaps and oils. Whether it's horticultural oil or neem oil. Just read and follow the label on that because they're safe, on the plant and for the pollinators. They're safe.
But when you're talking about whether you're talking about an indoor or an outdoor plant, you're going to be eating those herbs, presumably.
Right.
And so you need to be extra careful about what you put on them.
Right. Yeah, especially for the herbs, right? Anything that you're going to be eating, you definitely want to be extra careful. Read and follow the label, right? Read and follow the label. But if those plants are healthy, they're strong, they can withstand a little damage.
Oh, yeah.
A little damage, right? But if you have to use an insecticide, low impact. So again, your soaps and your oils, read and follow the label. We hope you loved the video. We would love for you to ask more questions. Be sure to leave those questions in your comments.